CapCut is a video editing application popular among creators for its user-friendly interface and powerful AI-driven features. The CapCut AI tool is a suite of built-in editing functions that leverage artificial intelligence to simplify the video production process, even for beginners. When you open the app, you can choose from various AI-assisted options. SmartCut automatically removes the background from your footage, separating subjects with precision that once required advanced skills. There's also auto captions, where the AI analyzes speech in your video and instantly generates accurate subtitles in multiple languages, saving editors hours of manual typing. Music lovers benefit from the AI music generator, which can recommend background tracks that fit the mood and pacing of your video. Content creators often use CapCut's text-to-speech to convert scripts into voiceovers in an instant, allowing them to experiment with different tones and languages without hiring voice talent. Another standout feature is the AI style transfer, which can transform the look of your video to mimic aesthetic styles like painting, pencil sketch, or cinematic filters. The AI can also suggest optimal video lengths, clip highlights, and even help improve pacing, all based on data-driven insights into audience retention. These AI tools are integrated seamlessly, with most features only a single tap away. Users can instantly preview edits and undo changes non-destructively, making experimentation risk-free. In summary, CapCut's AI tools democratize video editing by automating complex tasks, enhancing creativity, and empowering anyone to produce polished content for social media, marketing, or personal storytelling.